facing the bottle for all of my problems. These Instagram models are nothing but trouble. She going away now, I'm going for throttle. All these Instagram models, I said they're nothing but trouble.
When I met her, she was out for love. Yeah, I bought her leather and some diamond studs. Damn, when I met her, she was not lit up. Fuck it, I said whatever, cause I'm not a judge. No, all my niggas said she not was up. I considered it, but not enough. She just wanted to be popular. She just want 10,000 followers. She posted. They like it, repost it. She party promoting, she hosting. She posing, legs open. Provoking, they got my head smoking. I try to act like I don't notice. Emotions, Lord.
I'm facing the bottle for all of my problems. These Instagram models are nothing but trouble. She going away now.
Now it's over.
I'm going for throttle.
You drive me crazy.
All these Instagram models, I said they're nothing but trouble.
I had to leave that.
Slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you tryna make your ass fall off. Hella thick, I wanna smash them all now. Speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal. And you already know me, S-A-G-E. Gas pedal, slow down. Say amen. I'm just trying to make it clear, boy, Ray-Bans. I'm a great man, whoa, say friend. I play a whole late night DJ, man. Room full of boppers, tell them give me topper. Beat it up, 911, hit the coppers. I'm S-A-G-E, who would like to know? B545, large me in your throat. West side, baby, do what you do. And you got tell what that shit do. It's pretty nigga mob, that's the way that I grow. I just stepping up in the club, they make it drop to my show. Wow, slow down. Grab the wall, wiggle like you tryna make your ass fall off. Hella thick, I wanna smash them all now. Speed up, gas pedal.